Okay, so in my organisation, when graduates come in, they've got a good creative skill set. They are lacking in other skill sets, but creativity and thinking outside the box is definitely what they do come with. I would really like to see graduates come in with a really good Mac skill set, and by that I mean quick keys, I mean proficiency around the Mac workspace, being able to dip in and out of different programs and think creatively at the same time, understanding how to set files up for print, for PDF, how to save JPEGs for web. So basic skill sets, that's what I consider would be really useful. So when students come in, they've usually been used to working 6 weeks on one project, and now here I am and I throw them 6 projects in 1 week. And it might take 6 weeks to get through all those projects, but I think it's quite overwhelming for a student initially to grapple with putting their mindset into different areas for different creative briefs, and to be able to cope at the same time with the Mac skills and the communication skills and understanding the client. It's quite a tall order to sort of dive into that. I think perhaps if students were used to working on smaller, quicker, faster turnover projects, that would be really helpful for employers. It's very rarely that we get 6 weeks to design one brand or one marketing campaign. We would concept it within 3 hours. We would expand it and do the deliverables within a week, and then over the next couple of weeks with iterations, and then we might produce the final design after 3 weeks or 4 weeks. People skills are massive in design, and if you understand people, then you can design, because we are designing for people. If you've got an ability to see things from somebody else's point of view and understand how they might perceive it, how they might understand it on many different levels, then that's a really good skill to have. Get out there, do some volunteer work. Work with people, different sorts of people. Don't just work with people that you like. Work with people, poor people, people on the streets. Do charity work, because you're going to be designing for many different people groups, and the more you can get around and understand how they think, how they react, and what makes them, what prompts them to connect with a business or a product or a service, the better set you will be. I think when applying for jobs, it's not about talking us through their portfolio, because it's likely we've seen their projects from quite a few students. It's thinking of something that will set them apart from everyone else, and it might be something in their personality. It might be good to see something people skills related, say an example of some work they've done, an example of a situation they've been in that shows a little bit more than just I can design. It would be great for lecturers to come along and experience the type of projects that go through our studio in a typical week. And they can then maybe pull some key points from those exercises and replicate them back in the university. And also to put the same time pressures on. That would be good as an objective.